I use my ring light, Kelly. Hi babies, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to cover a few questions that I've always been getting, like on my Instagram, even in my YouTube comments, on Snapchat, just about anywhere on YouTube, you know, on their YouTube queries. And so a lot of persons, I don't know, they don't read the description box when a lot of the times the stuff is in it. So I just wanted to do a video, so just in case they don't want to read it and they want to hear me say it out of my mouth, then this video is definitely for you. So I posted something on Instagram, and so I'm just going to be answering the questions that you guys have on YouTube. So the first question is how to edit. Well, how to edit is a broad question. So editing, it varies, I mean, depending on the software that you use. But what I will tell you is that whatever software you are using, simply type that into YouTube on how to use it, the easiest steps to use that editing software, and I promise you there's a lot of video on YouTube that will help you to do it step by step. That's legit how I started. I got the software from a friend, and I just legit put in how to use Premiere Pro, and I followed it step by step every time I'm doing a video until I actually get it and how to edit. And it takes practice, so just practice with that one video that assists you in doing everything, and I promise you you'll be on your way. I can't say how to use your phone to edit because I don't use my phone. From I started YouTube, I've been using my laptop, and it helps me. I don't know, I can't use my phone to edit. Like, I need a bigger screen for edit. So shout out to you out there if you're using a phone to edit. So I get a lot of questions. What editing software I use? I use the Adobe Premiere Pro, and I got this from a friend. So I don't know, you can search online to see if you find it, but I don't know how you can get it. You may have to purchase it. Just Google it if that's the one that you're interested in, and videos are on YouTube that you can use to assist you in using whatever editing software that you're using. If you do have Premiere Pro and you don't know how to use it, I will link the video that taught me how to use the software in the description box, so you can definitely check that out. I'll definitely research to find the video for you, and I'll link it down below. Another person said, what advice would you give beginners or persons considering starting a YouTube channel? So I did cover this topic specifically on my YouTube channel, so I will link the video with more details down in the description box. But one thing I can say, one advice I can give to you is to be yourself. Nobody knows how to do a better version of you than you. So, and I know when you just started out, you can go back and watch my older videos. It's very cringeworthy, and don't watch the numbers. Listen, if you watch the numbers, you will be depressed. So ignore the subscriber count, just do the video. And another advice I'd give to you if you want to start a YouTube channel, don't start YouTube because you want to make money, because again you're going to stop making videos, because the money, it don't come as easy. I mean, if you're popular and you just start out with a channel, you have a better chance of growing faster than someone that's not known. So I guarantee you, do not watch the subscriber count or the view count, because if you look at some of my videos, I barely get any views, and if I was supposed to use that to do YouTube, I'd probably stop doing YouTube long time ago. So yeah, that's what I leave with you. Question, do you know any free apps I can do nice editing on? So I have an iPhone, and if it's editing real videos, you can use iMovies on your phone. Again, just YouTube how to use it on your phone, how to edit using iMovie, and it will assist you. I don't know how to use my phone, but I mean, if I had to, then I definitely have to learn how to. Another question was everything you listed a while ago. I want to know. So what did I listed? So somebody asked me what I used to record. So I initially started out with my iPhone, but now I am using a Canon T5i Rebel camera. No, it's Canon Rebel T5i, and I record my vlogs with my iPhone. So yeah, I record with my phone, and I do voiceovers with my iPhone, and I use the voice memo to do the voiceover. So I'll finish editing my video, I'll use the voice memo to just talk while the video runs on my laptop. Then I would send that voice memo as an email to myself. I will then download that voice memo and then put it onto the computer where I'm editing, and just cut out what I need to cut out and put onto the video. So yeah, that's how I do my voiceover. Let's see another question. My sister says, no question, sis, I love you. I love you too, boo. How do you deal with... So another question is, how do you deal or react to negative comments from B? Okay, so how I deal with negative comments. So if I see a negative comment, I'll screenshot the comment, send my friends laughing, because I don't care what y'all think. And if you think negative about me, I really don't care about it. Like, the love I get always outweigh the negative, and so I don't pay much attention. Listen, I don't even respond to them 3/4 of the time. Like, I legit don't care. And so yeah, that's how I deal with them. I ignore them. The next question is, will you do videos with other YouTubers? Well, I have done a few videos with YouTubers. It's just that no, lately I really don't have the time. So you know, seeing that I work 9 to 5, and I'm also a freelance makeup artist, so my weekends are sometimes filled with bookings, and so my time is not so flexible anymore. But I mean, if a YouTuber reach out to me and want to do a video, I will try it and, you know, work out something so that we could do the collab together. So another question is, how do you edit your videos and how long does it take to edit a video? So I answered how I edit my videos. I will leave the link down in the description box below. And to be real honest, video editing can take up to a few days to get done. It just depending on what it is that you're editing. So a vlog will take me like a few hours to edit versus a makeup video that will take me a few days. So yeah, a vlog is so much more easier, and a video like this with me talking to you guys, I can edit that within a few hours, but the time, it varies. So somebody asked me what do I use to edit my videos. I use Adobe Premiere Pro, and I think there are versions online, but you definitely have to research and try to find that crap version online. But I honestly don't know how to find it, so you can do your research if it is that you're interested in finding it and set it up on your computer. Another question is, which one is more convenient for you? Which one is more convenient for YouTube payment, Western Union or direct deposit? I think that question is, it really is a question for you. What is more convenient for you? I haven't been collecting any money off YouTube. I just leaving it to accumulate over time. And so, but I mean, the first option I used was Western Union, but now that they have a direct deposit payment option, I would use the direct, so I wouldn't have to go into Western Union to withdraw the money. So I think the last two questions. So this person said, what inspires you to do makeup? Was it a passion from a long time? So to be real honest with you, what really inspires me to do YouTube, I always love doing makeup, and so I practiced on myself and I mastered the art of doing my own makeup. And my friends were like, oh my god, you are so good at doing your own makeup, I think you should start doing makeup on other persons. And so one day I just started, you know, doing my friends' makeup, and then the rest is history. So yeah, it's now a passion. It wasn't before. I don't think growing up I would say I wanted to be a makeup artist. No, that was never in it. I could do makeup for the life of me. My face never ever looked good, never. And so it's just so good to see the growth. But yeah, it's a passion for me now. So my last question is, what inspired you to start YouTube? So I covered this also on my channel, but I will leave the link in the description box for the more detailed video. But just to cover just a short story, like I know this makeup artist girl, and she was like, hey, you would be perfect to start a YouTube channel. And the day she told me that I should try out YouTube, I legit came home and recorded my first video and I post it and all of that. So the first video is there with me. So another question I always get is how I make money on YouTube, and I did cover that in a video by itself, so I will link it down in the description box for you guys to check it out. So I get questions on what it is that I use for lighting. I usually use my 18-inch newer ring light, which is always linked in the description box, but I link it again. And I just ordered 2 softbox lighting, so I will also link that down in the description box for you. I also ordered a rodeo microphone, so it kind of helps to cut out the background noise and help to project my voice a little bit more for my videos. So I also have a rodeo microphone, so I will also link that down in the description box. And I did order my camera stand on Amazon, so all of those I can link in the description box for you. I don't know if you'd want me to do a detailed video on my setup. My setup really isn't a setup per se, but I can definitely show you guys how my setup looks whenever I'm recording, if that's a video you'd want to see. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys have any other questions, you can leave them down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer those questions. And I hope this covers everything that you guys wanted to know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. And by the way, I do have a tutorial on this makeup look. If you guys are interested in seeing that, it will also be linked down in the description box. I love you all so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye babies. Say bye babies. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doing my first YouTube video ever, and yeah, that's basically what started. Somebody just say, hey, I think you should start a YouTube channel, and legit that's what I did. So yeah, thank you guys. So yeah, those are all the questions that I got. And I use my ring light. Kelly, shh, big mommy, 2 minutes.